Okay, guys, so officially starting this week. Happy Wednesday, by the way. We're going to start getting into some more newer and challenging stuff for the most part, as you'll find out. Now, what I wanted to do was review and introduce for you and IM2 the unit circle a little bit more. And that's what this video is about. So if you notice, in IM3, I reassigned it. It should be at or near the top of your assignment page like it was on mine. Okay. And this little practice is only 4 questions. And here's the actual lesson section. There is a video that perhaps you should watch. I know I've been discouraging the videos, guys, but now that we're getting into the more challenging stuff again, it's good to see how it's explained from a very smart person, i.e. Mr. Khan, who's, frankly, guys, 10 times smarter than I am. All right, he's a really smart guy. So it's always good to see different perspectives on how people look at things. All right, so I encourage you on these harder tricks stuff, start watching a video. Maybe you have to pause it because it's really intense, so you do it in 3 to 4 minute chunks. But grind through and get through these videos, okay? And besides, you get some credit for me in the process. But I'm pretty sure this is the one I selected. Practice unit circle. I reassigned that, like I said. And down here are some good notes on trig unit circle review I'll take a look at as well. Okay? But anyways, in IM2, as you can see, there it is popped up there. I realize I probably assigned it more than once, but remember, once you do it once, it usually counts for the other one. But even if you just do it once, I will know. So keep that in mind. But anyways, look how simple this is, guys. Now we have a unit circle here. What is a unit circle? It's a circle with radius 1. Okay? From the center, which you could see would be right there, the radius is 1 going all the way around. Hence the name unit circle. Okay? Now, look how simple again this is. All they wanted you to do was look at each point and tell me, can you approximate and figure out how many degrees it is? Well, guys, remember, if you go straight across to the right, that's 0 degrees. So where is point A? Point A, if I follow the circle like so, makes this angle right here. I'm showing in purple, right? Well, how big is that angle? Question mark. Well, here's your choices. Once you click on it, hopefully you agree, that's about 40 degrees. Remember, guys, 90 would be straight up like this, right? And this is a little bit less than halfway to 90. Half of 90, by the way, is 45, which hopefully you know. Okay, so does everyone agree that one's a 40? That's all you have to do. Just click on the 40, and you'll get the right answer. All right, what about point B? Well, we just discussed that if I go from here all the way up to here, straight up, that's 90 degrees. So notice B is just a little bit more than 90. It goes from there to there. So which one are you going to pick this time? You're going to pick 100. Okay? That's basically what you do on these guys. All right? All right, let's look at point C down here. Down here. Down here. Okay? Well, let's think about this. If I go from here to there, that's 90. If I go all the way pointing to the opposite direction, that's another 90. So the whole thing, hopefully you understand, is 180 degrees. If I go from pointing right all the way rotating and pointing left. So point C, notice, is this much further, right? Now, the other thing hopefully you realize, if I point straight down, that would be from here to here another 90. And 90, 90, and 90 means Pointing straight down is 270 degrees. So that point C right there is a little bit smaller than 270, right? So, which one are you going to pick? You're going to pick 260, right? And that's all you have to do on that part. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Now, guys, there's something I want you all to know and learn if you don't know yet. Remember, x in the unit circle is the cosine of the theta function, or theta degrees, and y is sine. X is cosine, y is sine. The x-coordinate is cosine, the y-coordinate is sine. It's that simple. So, the question is right down here. Which equals the sine of 310? They said sine, so no, we're now looking for the y-coordinate of 310. Now, where is 310? Well, we just discussed in the last problem that if I go from here all the way to there, that's 270 degrees, right? Because that's 90, 90, and another 90, which is 270. So point C right here, notice, is a little bit further. And therefore, that's why that one is 310. See, point B would be like, let's say 200-ish, right? It's a little bit past 180, right? And A, of course, is a small angle. It just goes from here to there, okay? A, if we were to approximate, it's around 60 to 70 degree-ish. So we know it's C. They want the Y for C. So that's why you're going to go to your choices, and you're going to pick the Y coordinate of C. That's what the sine of 310 degrees is going to be. So X is cosine, Y is sine. That's what you're going to memorize and try to understand. All right, let's try another one. They want to know the sine of 90 degrees. Well, guys, remember, 90 goes from here straight up to there. So they're talking about point A. Sine, again, is the Y. They want the Y coordinate of point A, which, by the way, is, if that point 1, the Y is 1. Okay? The sine of 90 is 1. But anyways, they just want the Y of A. So you're just going to pick the Y coordinate of point A. Let's see if I have another one. I think this is the last one, guys. So notice they told us right here, we're 50 degrees here below the x-axis here, right? Now remember, from here to there is a total of 180 degrees, right? Because again, this is 90, that's 90. So this 50 tells us we went 180 plus 50. So do you agree A must be 230? Because 180, if I add a 50 to it, is 230. They want the x-coordinate of point A. The x, remember, is cosine. They want the cosine of 230. X is cosine, y is sine. All right, so they want the cosine of 230 point F, or selection F. Now, I'm pretty sure that would be the last one. Yes, it was. Now, why I put this picture here, guys, I just want to show you, if you're an IM3, it should have popped up here. I did it once. See how it popped up as double credit. That was one thing I wanted to show you. All right. So even if I give repeat assignments, guys, a repeat assignment is basically telling you, this is something basic I want you to learn. Okay? Just keep that in mind. Just keep working with me, guys. I will give you fair credit. And I'll see you around, guys.